What's up, everybody? It is Sweet Crypto here. Um, I got back from a tournament this weekend, so Sunday I wasn't able to do the Splash Sunday airdrop, so I'm doing it today. For Monday, we have 3.6 Splash here, which is about $157. We're just gonna claim this and send it to you all that are on my team, which is 15 people. So yeah, let's send this to everybody. This is gonna be the airdrop. It's supposed to be the Splash Sunday airdrop on Sunday. Again, I wasn't here, so I'm doing this on a Monday. So sorry about that. It's gonna be a day late. But yeah. Just gotta get a little swig of water there. Alright, so I'll do an update video on all this stuff later today, but this is basically the airdrop video for today. We're going to do a airdrop down here. Really cool UI, which I'll go over in another video. We're gonna go team airdrop. Use my address. 1 splash, so it's for everybody. And then no minimum directs. We're gonna do 3. And we're gonna get participants. So this is a $150 airdrop. And you can see everybody here. I'm gonna select all. And everybody's selected, so we have 13 qualified people, or sorry, 14. Yeah, if you don't count the zeros, so 14. And we're going to approve this, confirm this. Basically wait for this transaction to go through. I probably should cap off my water bottle. Don't want it to spill all over my computer. This is taking a little bit to load. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to send it to everybody. We're going to send it here. And why is that such a big fee? It's a decent size fee. It's like a $6 fee. I don't know why it's that high. But here we go. Sending it to everybody. The airdrop. And yep, so this was the Splash Sunday airdrop. I'll do another airdrop Thursday for I think a 15 plus team. Or not 15 plus. I think I'm gonna do 25 plus. Yeah, 25 plus on Thursday. So yeah, but every Sunday join the team if you want. And yeah, I'll make another video tonight. So yeah. Peace.